is then going back to compressor to the suction of compressor. And cycle is going back again. Watt equals joule per second. And this is what we will also need in our heating systems. In the lower area, like here, this one is evaporator. And this one is condenser. Because now in cooling, low heat, high temperature, and high heat, low temperature. We have refrigerant in low pressure, and we are reducing the volume, and after reducing the volume, we are increasing the pressure and the temperature, which is this lower one with two pipes and electrical part. On top of this, we are in much lower pressure. Have you ever been to a party in some tent when it's cold outside? On the right part, you can also, by your hand, moving refrigerant, temperature and pressure on the scale. It's twin rotary compressor, as we cannot enter compressor with any form of liquid because of the oil inside. However, how fast we will leave that box requires about how much power we have. It's entering, passing through the four-way valve and going from the middle. The middle is the part where low pressure, low temperature refrigerant is going back to compressor. In condenser, from vapor to liquid. In evaporator, from liquid to vapor.